Top 5 Breville Smart Oven Problems and How to Fix Them Fast. If you own this oven, chances are you'll run into at least one of these. Let's cut straight to the fixes. Problem 1. Oven won't turn on. Check that the plug is fully seated in a working wall outlet, no power strips or extensions. If the control panel stays dark, unplug for 2 minutes, then plug back in and press power. Still dead? Try a different outlet on a separate circuit. Problem 2. Buttons not responding. If start or function buttons don't react, unplug the oven and let it sit for a few minutes. With it cool, wipe the control panel gently with a lint-free microfiber cloth. I've linked the set I use below. Grease or crumbs around the button edges can block contact. If buttons remain unresponsive, the control board may need service. Problem 3. Fan noise or not spinning. Some hum is normal, but rattling means airflow is blocked. Pull the oven forward to leave at least 2 inches at the rear, 4 inches on the sides, and 6 inches above. Empty the crumb tray and check pans aren't touching the rear fan cover. If the fan doesn't spin at all in convection modes, that's a service issue. Problem 4. Oven turns on but won't heat. Make sure you're using a heating mode: bake, roast, pizza, air fry, or broil. Proof and warm do heat, but very gently, so they won't feel hot. Remember, the display beeps early at about 75% of target, then finishes climbing. If the oven never gets hot in full heat modes, the sensor or element may have failed. Problem 5. Uneven cooking or burnt edges. Always use the center rack for even baking, and don't push pans against the rear fan cover. If you're cooking on 2 racks, rotate pans 180 degrees and swap top for bottom halfway through the cycle. If your oven still has problems after these checks, contact Breville support using the link in the description. If this helped you fix the 5 most common issues, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need lint-free microfiber cloths, I've linked the set I use below, safe for screens, seals, and control panels. Thanks for watching, and keep your oven cooking, not quitting.